Make a great choice today with the 2014 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.